name is Duffy Hoffman. I've been a historic preservationist and a historic tradesperson for over 40 years. I've been involved in all aspects of restoration, but my specialty is windows. As in all trades, having the proper tools is paramount. I have been using Stortz scrapers for over 30 years. Stortz scrapers stay sharp, they don't loosen, and they're very easy to sharpen. Stortz scrapers are finely ground, heat treated, and made of high carbon steel. I recommend Stortz scrapers. They are outstanding and of high quality.